Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة كتب عليكم القتال وهو كره لكم وعسى أن تكرهوا شيئا وهو خير لكم وعسى أن تحبوا شيئا وهو شر لكم والله يعلم وأنتم لا تعلمون. Translation: Fighting warfare is obligatory for you, though it is hateful to you. But it may be that you hate a thing which may be good for you, and it may happen that you love a thing while it can be bad, evil for you. Allah knows better while you do not know. We have studied this before, that when Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and the companions were in Mecca, they were not allowed to fight against the kuffar, against the non-believers and polytheists. Even in self-defense they were not allowed, and the order was just to be patient and face all the hardships without raising their hands. When the Muslims migrated to Medina, initially they were allowed to fight back to the non-believers who will fight against them, and then later they were allowed to fight against the kuffar, and this fighting was made obligatory. Now, there are very specific details in the book of Islamic jurisprudence and fiqh about the jihad or fighting. However, one must understand that the term jihad is not for fighting only. In one hadith, Prophet Muhammad said that do jihad with the polytheists with your wealth, with your self, or with your hands, and with your tongues. So even using the tongue against the non-believer is also called jihad. In one famous hadith, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam have said that the afzal jihad is the jihad against one's self, against one's desires. So this is an important topic to understand, and unfortunately there is lots of misinformation about this topic. One thing is clear, that if the non-believers attack Muslims, then the fighting is obligatory on Muslims. However, if there is not such condition, then it will become a farz kifaya, or a farz or obligatory on just a group of people. And if only a group of Muslims is doing this fighting, then it will be from all the Muslims, and all the Muslims do not have to do that. This is known as farz kifaya. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said in this ayah that it is possible that we love something but it is not good for us, and we hate something and it is good for us. And an example can be given that if there is a bitter medicine, our heart or our self will not like to have that medicine. However, that medicine will bring health to us. Similarly, if there is a thing that is tasty or good in taste, like sugars or sweet things for a diabetic patient, they are tasting good but they are not good for us. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows everything because He created human beings. So let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.